Hello, music makers. It's time to dance and freeze with the Carnival of Animals. Our job is to watch and listen for what kind of movement to do. When you hear the music, start doing the movement that was described. When the music stops, freeze and listen for the next kind of movement. Have fun. Can you move like a lion? Move with strong weight on all fours. Listen carefully for the moments when the lion roars. Let's move like a rooster. Strut around in middle space as you move through curvy pathways. Can you move like a donkey? Walk on all fours and kick up your hooves. Be careful, make sure there's no one else around you. Let's move like a turtle. Walk in low space through sustained time. Can you move like an elephant? Move with strong weight through straight pathways. Let's move like a kangaroo. We're going to leap around the room, during the special parts in the music when the kangaroo is leap, 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 leaping. Can you swim like a fish? Swim through the water in curvy pathways. Can you fly like a cuckoo? Using flow, fly through high and middle space. Listen carefully for when the moments come to take a breath and cuckoo. Let's pretend to be fossils. Lay on the floor and make your best fossil shape. Let's move like the birds in the aviary. Flap your wings and fly through high space. Let's move like the swan. Flow gently around the water like a beautiful swan. Thank you for playing with me today. I hope you had fun. Bye-bye.